Wasted energy. Wasted energy. Wasted energy. Wasted energy. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Alicia Keys featuring Diamond Platnumz, Wasted Energy. Very simple song. We're using 2 chords and our guitars in standard tuning. We're not using a capo, okay? So the chords are A. This is your A major to E minor. Okay? And that's it. We're just playing A, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down on E minor, right? So it's A to E minor. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration on how to hold them. Then you can come back to this video for the progressions. Otherwise, let's get right into the song, right? So how I'm playing this, I'm kind of like muting my strings to get that effect. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so I'm playing I have like certain downs that I need to do, and then I just variate everything else in between. So the downs are, and then in between that I just kind of like put anything that won't disturb the tempo. So and that's pretty much it for the verse. The chorus, Diamond's verse, it's the same chords, guys. So pretty simple song. Do like the video if it helped you. Share it with a friend who's still learning guitar. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let me know in the comment section below any other songs that I should do for y'all. Peace.